Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm back with a knowledge of grammar. Today, we are going to start our grammar. Do you know, my dear children, you have grammar book also? See, I already introduced your textbooks, your books for English. Am I right? As I said, you have textbook, grammar book, classwork and homework for small copy. Am I right? Okay, now till the previous class, we learned in textbook. Am I right? Do you remember this textbook? What is the name of first lesson? Tell me, what is the name of first lesson? The King and the Bees in the textbook. Am I right? Okay, now today our class is for grammar. See here, English grammar. English grammar. See my dear, this is a new book for you. Till a previous class, I mean in second class, till second class you don't know about this grammar book. But in the third class, from the third class, you have to learn grammar also, because grammar is the base of English. Okay, to talk, to write, to do everything with English, we have to know the knowledge of grammar. Okay, so now I am not going to open this book now. Today I'll give a rough introduction about grammar. Okay, I'll give a rough introduction. So, what is the base of English? What is the base? Alphabet. If no alphabet are there, can we write? No. Can we write anything? No, we can't write. Am I right? Now, as you know, you learned alphabet in the previous classes, from LKG or from nursery till second. You learned alphabet. I know that. Am I right? Okay. Now tell me, we are revising all those once again. Okay. So, alphabet. Now tell me, my dear, how many letters are there in alphabet? How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26 letters. Am I right? 26 letters. Am I right? See, we can write these 26 letters in two forms. One is capital. Capital letters. And the second one is small letters. Or we can say capital as uppercase and small as lowercase. Okay, see here, we can write these 26 letters in two forms, two ways, capital letters and small letters. You don't note down anything, my dear, just listen to me. Okay, don't take your book also. Just hold your hands and listen to me properly. That's it. That is enough now. Okay, so capital letters and small letters. See, capital letters or uppercase, we may call capital letters as uppercase letters. Okay, uppercase and small as lowercase letters. Okay, small capital letters as uppercase and small letters as lowercase. Right. So, according to the phonetical sound, these 26 letters are divided into two forms, two parts. According to a phonetical sound, these 26 letters are divided into two forms, two parts. One is vowel and consonant. Okay, before we start, we learn about vowel and consonant. The arrangement of (26 letters in a particular order, and that order is called alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The letters are arranged like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Am I right? A to Z. Isn't it? So, the arrangement of those letters is called alphabetical order. So, the first letter of alphabet is first letter of alphabet is A, and the last letter is Z. Am I right? The first letter of alphabet is A and the last letter of alphabet is Z. It is in increasing order. From Z to A is decreasing order. Now, these 26 letters are divided into two parts. According to their sound, according to their phonetical sound, those letters are divided into two parts. Vowels. Second one is consonants. You please just listen. No need to note down anything. Don't note down anything. Just listen to me. See, these 26 letters are divided into two parts according to their sound. So, first one is vowels and consonants. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. What are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. See, these 5 are vowels and the remaining 21 I can write here. B, C, D, F, G, H, like that. Okay. Remaining 21 are consonants. Okay. Only A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. Okay, my dear, do you understand? See, first, how many letters we have? We have 26 letters in English alphabet. And those 26 letters we can write in two forms, capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are also called as uppercase letters and small letters are also called as lowercase letters. Okay, then arrangement of the letters, those 26 letters in a particular order. And what is that order? Name of that order is alphabetical order. Right. Next, 26 letters are divided into two parts according to their phonetical sound. See, vowels and consonants. Okay, how many vowels we have? 5 vowels. What are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels, and the remaining 21, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these 21 letters are consonants. Do you get it, my dear children? Very good. So now we'll take the textbook, we'll take the grammar book in the next class. Okay, please don't forget this, my dear. You go through once again. You go through the video once again and listen properly. Okay, now take out your small copies, all of you. Take out your small copies. Write today's date. 25/9. First word is remembered. Give gap between each word, my dears. Confused. First word is remembered and the second word is confused. Okay, note down in your small copy and write the full page. Take a picture, send it to your concerned class teacher. And today's homework is read and practice alphabet small, capital and small. For 2 times. Okay, read and practice. Practice, not read and practice, my dear. Just practice. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.